Bit of a shorter video right now because I am walking home from the grocery store. It's been a really good trip, although it has been raining, which is why I'm holding an umbrella. So, you know, it's wet, raining a little. But I've been enjoying this trip so far. I first went to the Dollar Tree, got a few good snacks and a few drinks. That was enjoyable. Had a nice conversation with the cashier. They were nice. And then after that I went to the Publix. I was gonna stop by... That is an ambulance, okay. Yeah, I was gonna stop by McDonald's or like Burger King or something. Or not Burger King, but McDonald's. Because I thought it'd be really funny to get the spicy McMuffin. Their prices are kind of insane. Like, I'm not gonna spend $8 for a burger from McDonald's. McDonald's does not have $8 burgers. They have like $5 burgers at best. Huh. Sorry? My wagon handle is too short, so I have to tie a rope to it. But actually I can... Wagon. I accidentally stopped the recording. Whoopsies. Yeah, so then I got to the Publix. And since it's Wednesday, I remembered they have $5 sushi night. Which is hype. I got, honestly, pretty solid sushi for just $5. I liked that. And the cashier was also nice. I never use self-checkout. Never. And that is because self-checkout, it displaces a lot of workers. I don't think that's good. I like supporting workers, keeping them in their jobs. So I always use a regular checkout, not self-checkout. So... cashier was nice. I ate my sushi, then I went back in to go shopping. And I got a few compliments on my wagon from different people. One of them was even an employee. That was fun. And sorry, I'm mainly focused on walking, but I got everything I needed. Went to go check out again. It was the same person checking me out. They were nice. Again, had a good little conversation with them, and the person bagging said that they thought that they were my friend for a second. Hang on, this person's stopping for me. There we go. Yeah, and when I was in the Publix, I saw someone that I thought was my friend, but they were not. It was kind of interesting. And on my way out, there was some nice older lady who just complimented my wagon and started talking about how she needs a wagon, and that Walmart, like a Walmart nearby, has bigger ones, since I mentioned that I needed a larger one. That was cool. None of this information is particularly interesting, but I had a good experience even though it's been raining and I'm pretty hot. I don't know, I'm glad I decided to go out for a shopping trip even though it was raining. It was worth it and I had fun. So sometimes you just gotta get outside even if it's not ideal conditions. Have fun, enjoy things. Okay, I'm gonna put this away now. Bye bye.